Did you know that a single quality oversight can cost organizations up to 20% of their total production value? In today's complex manufacturing and service industries, companies are battling critical challenges in maintaining exceptional quality standards. Organizations face unprecedented pressures to deliver consistently high-quality products and services while managing increasingly complex production processes. Manufacturing and service organizations struggle with significant quality challenges that extend beyond simple inspection. Inconsistent quality standards, inadequate inspection methodologies, and fragmented quality control processes create substantial risks. These systemic issues lead to increased product defects, customer dissatisfaction, potential product recalls, and significant financial losses. Companies find themselves trapped in reactive cycles, addressing quality issues after they occur instead of preventing them proactively. For individual quality inspectors, the challenges are intense. Professionals feel overwhelmed by complex quality requirements, sophisticated measurement techniques, and rapidly evolving technological standards. Workers lack the comprehensive skills to effectively identify subtle quality deviations, understand advanced inspection methodologies, and develop strategic quality improvement recommendations. Our comprehensive training course provides a transformative solution to these critical challenges. Participants will master advanced quality inspection techniques, learning sophisticated methods for comprehensive quality assessment, precise measurement, and strategic quality improvement. You'll gain expertise in cutting-edge inspection technologies, statistical quality control, and developing robust quality management strategies. The benefits are profound. Organizations gain quality inspectors who can systematically identify and prevent quality issues, optimize production processes, and ensure consistent product excellence. Individuals develop a specialized skill set that enhances their professional value, opens new career opportunities, and positions them as trusted quality management experts. Don't let your organization remain vulnerable to quality inconsistencies. Become the quality inspector who can drive excellence, prevent defects, and create extraordinary value. Take the first step towards becoming a quality assurance champion today.